In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate English to Spanish with DeepL. Whether you're using the web translator in your browser or the desktop app, the process is simple and nearly identical, so you can follow along on whichever version you prefer. First, open the DeepL translator. On the web, head to the official DeepL site and launch the translator page. If you're on the desktop app, just open it like any other program. Give it a second to load. You'll see two main panels side by side. The panel on the left is where you put your original text, and the panel on the right is where the Spanish translation will appear. Next, set your languages. In the drop-down above the left panel, select English as the source language. If your text might contain a mix or you're not entirely sure, you can choose detect language and let DeepL figure it out automatically. Then in the drop-down above the right panel, choose Spanish as your target language. This tells DeepL exactly what direction you want the translation to go in. Now paste your text into the left side box. You can paste a sentence, a paragraph, or longer passages. As soon as you paste, DeepL will start translating automatically, and you'll see the Spanish output populate on the right. Take a moment to read both sides. If something doesn't look right in the translation, consider whether a small tweak to the original English, like clarifying a phrase or fixing punctuation, might help produce a clearer Spanish result. The tool responds instantly, so small edits can make a big difference. If you want to fine-tune the translation, click on a specific word in the Spanish output to see alternative synonyms. DeepL will show you a list of options that fit the context, so you can choose the one that best matches your tone or the nuance you need. For example, you might prefer a more formal or more casual word, or a term that's common in a particular context. When you select an alternative, DeepL will update the sentence around it, maintaining grammar and agreement as much as possible. Feel free to click through a few words to polish the phrasing until it reads naturally. That's all there is to it. Open DeepL, set English to Spanish, paste your text, and refine by choosing better-fitting synonyms right inside the translation. With these steps, you'll move quickly from a first draft to a clean, natural-sounding Spanish version that suits your needs.